Let's have a look at question 1. So the first thing you always want to do with differential equation is determine what your variables are. And that is given to you by the derivative symbol here. So the numerator, you have u, and denominator, you have a t, which means that your dependent variable is u and your independent variable is t. And then remember, we're going from easiest to most difficult method. You cover up the derivative and you look at what's in the rest of the equation. And you'll see that you've got a mixture of dependent and independent variables, which means you can't use direct integration. Then we see we have 1, 2, 3 terms, which at first makes you think that you can't use separable, but if you see here, these last 2 terms, you can actually make it as one term, which means you'll have 1, 2 terms. So this can be written as 2 minus 1 u dt 2t plus 1. So you've got 1 term on the left hand side and 1 term on the right hand side. You put a bracket around that. Right? And then we can say u minus 1 du dt, and you see on the left hand side you only have your dependent variable, on the right hand side you only have your independent variable, which means you are looking at a separable differential equation. We then integrate both sides and you get u squared minus u, and that is going to be t squared plus t plus your constant. Right? Remember, your constant you need only add in on one side of the equation. You don't have to do it both sides, but it's up to you. And then you're going to have minus 2u equals t squared plus t plus c. Right? Now that over there is your general solution. So that is the general solution. And if you look at your question, they ask you to find your particular solution. And you know that's what you want because you were given initial conditions. So we have to substitute u equals minus 1 and t equals to 0. And we're going to get minus 1. These are all 0, which means that's c, which means that c is just going to be 3. Right? And if we substitute that into the general solution, we get u squared minus 2u plus t plus 3. That is your particular solution and your final answer.